ladybirds and bumblebees, or good afternoon. Now today in maths we're going to do some adding, and Sweep here has got a little domino card, haven't you, Sweep? Yeah. Now we've got some black dots on this side, some red dots on that side, and I want you to tell me how many dots have we got all together. Sweep's listening for some of your answers. Okay, well, before I tell you the right answer, this is how I'm going to add them. I've got my 5 here, and I've got 2 here. So 5's my biggest, so I'm going to put 5 into my head, and I'm going to count 2 more on my fingers. So I'm going to say 5, 6, 7. Is that what you got? Should we see if we're right? Yes, 7 dots. Well done. Let's try another one, shall we, Sweep? Okay. Which card has Sweep got this time? So we've got some black dots and some red dots. Can you tell us how many dots all together on Sweep's domino? Remember, you can pause the video if you'd like to at any time. Okay, have you got an answer? Sweep's listening. Oh, they're doing well, Sweep, I think. Okay, it's my go now. So I've got 6 black dots and I've got 3 red dots. I'm going to put 6 into my head and I'm going to count 3 more on my fingers. So here we go. 6, 7, 8, 9. Is that what you got, children? Let's have a look. 9. Well done. Oh, Sweet's got another one. Here we go. Oh, there's a lot of dots on that one on your domino, Sweep. Okay, so once again, children, you know what to do to tell me how many dots there are all together. Call out your answer. Sweep's listening. Okay, my go. So I've got 6 black dots and 5 red ones. So 6 is the biggest number. I'm going to put 6 into my head. I'm going to count 5 more on my fingers. So 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Am I right? Yes. Are you right? Well done. Okay. Thanks, Sweep. We'll see you later. Now, let's look at the computer now. So I'm just going to bring this round so we can see. Here we go. Let's get that in a nice position. Okay. Now it says counting on is fun, because that's what we've just been doing. That's what I've been doing. I've been putting the biggest number in my head and then counting on the smaller number on my fingers. Right. Let's have a look. It says choose a card. So let's get a number up on the screen. And we've got number 16. Now let's roll the dice. It's landed on number 3. So, can you tell me, children, how much have we got all together? We've got 16, and then we need to add 3. Remember the strategy? Put 16 into your head, and then count 3 more on your fingers. You can pause the video if you need to. Right, here we go then. So, we're going to count on. So 16 in the head, and then let's count 3 more. So 16, 17, 18, 19. Did you get that? If you did, well done. And I've written that down as a little number sentence. 16 plus 3 equals 19. Okay, shall we have a go at another one now? Here we go. So let's choose another number card. 13. Let's roll the dice. 5. Right, over to you. Tell me, what is 13? Add or plus 5? Okay, here we go. So I'm going to put 13 in my head and then get my 5 fingers ready. Let's go. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Did anyone get that right? And here's the number sentence. 13 plus 5 equals 18. Okay, well done. Let's now have a look at a little task you might like to do. Now you can pause the video here if you'd like to and have a go at this. So here we've got some 2 digits, some teen numbers we've got 9 as well, that's a 1-digit number. So you can choose one of those cards and then roll your dice. If you've not got dice, just write the numbers 1 to 6 on 6 different pieces of paper and then just pick one out and then have a go at adding them together. And you might like to write a little number sentence like I showed you a moment ago to show your answers. Okay, so if you want to pause here and try that now, you can. Otherwise, you can come back to that at the end and let's carry on. And I think we're going to have now a little maths story. So off we go. Once upon a time, there were 8 ants out for a walk. And there they are. Oh, just check for me, children. There are 8 ants there. All good? Okay, let's carry on the story. So 8 ants went out for a walk. Then 4 more joined in the walk. 1, 2, 3, 4. There they are. Here's the question. How many ants were out for a walk now? So how many altogether were out for a walk? Now, you might be counting all those up. If you are, you might want to pause the video. But I'm just going to go back a little bit. So I'm just going to take away those 4 ants. Now, so we started with 8 ants. So I'm going to put 8 in my head. And then I'm going to count on 4 more on my fingers. So should we do that together? So we can put 8 in our head. So 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And let's see if we're right. And there's a little number sentence. 8 add or plus 4 equals 12 ants altogether. Should we try another one? Here we go. Ooh, this time we've got some eggs. And we've got a number line. So we're going to use the number line today on this one. So here's the story. Eva found 12 eggs. And there we've marked that on the number line, 12. But her mum bought 6 more. How many eggs do they have now? So we've got 12 eggs. And then Eva's mum bought 6 more. How many do they have now? So we need to say 12 add 6. So just like we've just done, let's put 12 in our head and we're going to count on 6 more, the 6 more eggs that Eva's mum brought. So let's go 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So how many eggs altogether did they have? 18. Okay. Now, the last one we've got here, this is a bit different. A shop has got 4 juice cartons. And there they are. Then they buy 12 more. So how many have they got all together? Now, where should we start our number line? Should we start on number 4 and then count on 12 more? Or should we start on number 12 and count on 4 more? Well, let's try both ways, and let's see which is the best way, the easiest way for us. So I'm starting on 4 first, and now I've got 4 in my head. I'm going to count on 12 more. So here we go: 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So altogether there's 16 cartons. But oh, wasn't that a lot of counting on? I'm sure there's an easier way than that. Let's try it the other way. So we've got 4 cartons and 12 cartons. Let's start on the biggest number, 12. Here we go. 12. And this time let's just count on 4. So 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. And it's the same answer. Well done. Okay, here we go. Here's your little task, and I'll also put a little activity sheet for you on the on Tapestry. So have fun doing that, and me and Sweep look forward to seeing what you've done. Okay, children. Bye.